Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pustak Gyan. Friends, today I am going to summarize the poem Wind of NCERT book Beehive of class 9th. But before starting the video friends, I want to say that please subscribe our channel and press the bell icons for the new update on our channel. Now let's begin the summary of this poem friends. This poem, The Wind, is written by Subramaniam Bharati. We all know that friends, wind is a natural phenomenon. In this poem, the poet talks to the wind. The power of wind has been described, and the poet says that wind is very destructive. He has linked the destructive power of wind to the advantages of lives and say that the weak people break down, but stronger people emerge out of advertising stronger. The poem gives an important message that we should be mentally tough and physically strong in order to survive the hardship of this life. A weak person breaks down like a weak building and crumbles. We must make these destructive forces our friends with our strengths and determinations. Now friends, let's start the summary of the poem. The poet is talking to the wind. In this poem, the poet is talking to the wind. He asks the wind to come softly, so he is saying that the wind should not be very strong, loud. It should be soft and subtle. Then he says that the wind is very powerful. It is destructive. It breaks the shutters of winds and scatters the papers. When the wind is very powerful, all the books which are kept on the safe fall down. So here the poet is describing the power of the wind. Then he says to the wind to look at the destruction that it had done. Whenever there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak, like small plants, teeny children, they all get scared and they can even fall and get hurt. We can say that in the initial part of the poem, the poet is referring to wind as a young child. He is saying that it should come softly, just like a small child does. In the later parts, we come to know that the wind is destructive just like a youth. Just like a young boy or a young girl who is full of energy, violence and destructive. Now, in the next 4 lines, here the words crumbling is repeated so many times to lay a stress that everything crumbles in the face of a strong wind. So the writer is saying that when wind is very powerful, it is very strong. It leads to breakage of everything. Houses which are weak fall, doors which are weak falls. The beams on which the roofs of the building are supported, they also fall. All the wooden structure fall. All bodies of people fall. Animal, leaves, hut and everything begin to fall. So he is saying that everything crumbles. Everything that is weak react by falling down and breaking in the face of adversity. So the poet is saying that whenever a weak person faces any adversity or challenge in life, he breaks down and falls. The poet is addressing to wind as wind god, and he is saying that the powerful god of wind Vinoj. That means he shifts all the people, and those people who are weak fall down and get crushed. So here a comparison is made between wheat and people. Just like we winnow the wheat to separate the grain from chaff, the wind god separates the strong people from the weak people. When there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak fall and get crushed. The poet wants us to make friends with the wind, that is the adversity in our lives. He says that the problem will not listen to us. They will come, so we should be prepared. In the preparation, we should build strong homes and close the doors of our house firmly so that the wind cannot get into. And then he says that we should also make our bodies strong and hearts firm to face these challenges. And then once we are strong enough, all the challenges will be like our friends. We will not feel that they are troublesome. Friends, this is the summary of this poem, The Wind. Now friends, we will meet on our next video. Till then friends, keep watching our video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channels. So friends, thank you and have a nice day.